In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export your final project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're looking to share your masterpiece with the world or simply need a finished file for your archives, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, once you've completed your sequence, you'll want to head over to the upper menu bar. You'll start by clicking on File, which you'll find conveniently located at the top left of your screen. As you hover over File, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, look for the Export option. As you navigate your cursor over Export, another sub-menu appears, allowing you to select Media. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve this more quickly by pressing Ctrl+M if you're working on a Windows computer or CMD+M if you're operating on a Mac. Once you've activated the export process, you'll be greeted by the Export Settings window. This is your command center for all things export-related. The first area to direct your attention to is the Output Name field. You'll notice this is highlighted in blue, signifying that it's clickable. The blue text is an essential component because it not only tells you the current file name, but also the destination where your file will be saved. Go ahead and click on the blue Output Name text. Doing so will trigger a Save As or Output Location dialog box to pop up. This dialog box is where you gain control over where your exported file will find its home on your computer. Carefully navigate through your folders in this dialog box until you find the perfect location for your file. Whether it's a special projects folder or simply your desktop for easy access, choose the place that suits your organizational needs best. As you decide on the location, you'll also want to give some thought to the file name. Choose a name that's descriptive yet concise enough for easy identification later on. Once you're satisfied with your chosen folder and file name, click Save to confirm your choices. Now you'll return to the Export Settings window, and you'll notice that the Output Name field has been updated, reflecting both the new location and file name you've selected. This is your confirmation that those specific settings have been applied correctly. Now you're at a crossroads where you have two options to continue. You can either proceed directly to exporting your file, or, if you're planning to manage multiple exports simultaneously, consider queuing your job in Adobe Media Encoder. This can be helpful if you've got a batch of sequences to export and would like to maintain a streamlined workflow. With these steps complete, you're ready to begin your export and enjoy the fruits of your creative labor.